Hey, how's it going? It's Eric from HorizonInk.com, and today I'm going to show you how to get your jammed drum and toner cartridge out of your Brother laser printer. Let's take a look. So this is a very common problem. You'll try to go and change your toner cartridge or your drum, and you notice that it won't come out. It's a very simple fix, actually. This is exactly how you do it. So we're going to come to the printer and expose the drum and toner cartridge. So there it is right there, and you notice it's not coming out, it's stuck. It's not a big problem, or it's not, it's a very simple fix. All we gotta do is look inside, and we're gonna find this arm, this attachment that needs to be pulled out. So there it is right there. Here's the arm. All we're gonna do is just line it up. Pull it out, and then just line it up with the little circle right there. Probably what happened is like a mount broke off. It just happens all the time. It's very common with these printers. It's not a big deal. So we got this pulled out, and so now we can just take out our drum and toner cartridge. Pretty simple, right? So that's it. Everything else is good to go. Change your cartridge, change your drum, throw it back in, and it's ready to go. Anyway, so I hope this video helped. My name is Eric from HorizonInk.com. If you have any questions or concerns, email me, erik@horizoninc.com. I'll see you guys later.